Okay, one more cleaning job. Okay, now I'm going to try to lap these. Need to go in the hole this time. Still got the valve seals on here, so that's why the valves don't stop. Don't fall all the way in. Okay, I'm going to give them a little bit of lap. See what we got going on here. Just drag for the stick to work too good. Sometimes the valve might be sealing the best. Okay, you can see the low spot in the valve where it's not even hitting right here. So the valve is definitely bent. See, it fades right out right there, so it's not contacting the head right there. See where it goes out. See, it's dark, 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 light, real light, dark again. See how it goes away? So this valve is not straight, which we already saw by the grind marks. So if you notice, I was barely touching it right there, and that's also where the lap shows it's low. So this whole valve is bent over right there. Over here it's hitting heavy over here. That's where I also was grinding a lot. So see, my grinding matches up to what the valve is showing me as being off. So these valves need to be reground. I imagine they're all the same, so we'll see. Oh, jeez. Same thing. Look at the big low spot there. See, it disappears right there. It's not even hitting. Drops away, comes back in. Alright, so I'm going to have to do some. These are not going to run very good because they're not. Valves aren't closing. And the seat mark on the heads are probably about the same. So like I said, we have issues. So that tells me right there we need to do some work. So I'm not even going to waste my time with this right now. We're going to actually go ahead and regrind all these valves. Clean things up. Do a mini valve job. This motor's not going to run too good the way it is, so I don't think he's going to want to be taken apart one more time because it doesn't run correctly. So I'm going to go ahead and regrind these valves until they're straight. See what these things do. Alright, more stuff I didn't need to be doing tonight. Oh well. Definitely not going to be putting this motor together tonight. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and I can't use my valve stem hone, so I'm just going to have to regrind these. So I'm going to go grind these true this time. Trying to avoid doing extra work, but so much for that. Okay. Really would like to hone these stems, but okay. So I'm going to go ahead and do this job correctly. So now we're going to grind it till the 45 comes in. I don't know how much you can really see over here until I watch the video. I don't know if there's even worth videotaping this, but you can hear it just like I can hear it. It's not really something you can see very well. Okay, see how it's cutting only right here. Oh, they're really thin already. Adjusting the stone. Center that one more time. Okay, it's in there now. Where's my numbers at? Shit, can't see anything anymore. Up there. See, inside repeated kind of what I already had with the shocker. I can't see anything from this angle. I need to be able to see what I'm doing too. Can't see the angle that you're setting it up to, it doesn't help you any. Okay, so now, I don't know if you can see it, but that angle there, but look how thin the valve is. The valve is really thin. Goes way the hell up. These have been reground before, I'm pretty sure, and they didn't do a very good job. Whatever equipment they used was not the best. So, oh well, you get what you get, I guess. Let's see, I'll try to get over here, maybe you can see this side of me. Same difference, only hits right there. If you look at the angle I already got cut in there, see how it follows my angle pretty close? It's repeating what I'm doing. A little spot right there left. Recenter it again, see if it makes any difference. Same thing here. If you look at the angle I already ground in there, see it almost follows it identical. I don't know if you can see that or not, but see if you look at the inner angle that we already cut in there. As I rotate it, see how it stays the same. Real narrow to see the one next to the valve that's following mine. The valve is the other one. tell I'm repeating, even though I've had the valve in and out several times. And you know, what I'm doing is repeating. The valves are definitely not ground true. I don't think they were bent. I think they're just not ground true. I think somebody else did this job and did not do a very good job. Just because you got clean metal does not mean it's straight or true. Here, it almost picked up identical. Nice, good back cut. Yeah, a little bit bigger on that side. Yeah, close. So if you can repeat your work over and over and over, if it's off, at least you're repeating the accuracy is very accurate of what you're doing. It's just if the machine's off, it's off. But if you can't repeat your work, then it's not accurate at all. That's why I try to duplicate whatever I do, so I know it's not me. Okay. I think I already moved it to 45 again. Okay. It's time for resharpening pretty soon here. There. It's almost in. These are really thick, so you can grind the piss out of these. There's no problem. I think that one moved a little bit on me. Try it again. Got wear marks in there as you drop the balls in. There's 3 balls that center everything on two points. There's 6 balls. So if you drop into a low spot, it cocks the valve a little bit. I think that's where I'm at on this one right now. Resharpen it. See the difference in finish. You can see the difference in angle between what I had before and what I have now. Once again, you're looking at the same second line right there. That's almost identical. So that means I'm not much different what I had before. So I'm repeating pretty close, within a thou or two probably at least. Okay, I'll go way over there. Not quite that far. Somewhere in there kind of hit. There it is. There we go. Should be enough. Next one, make sure there's no dirt on it. It's already in. thin, but the stone's dull as hell already. That grind mark's pretty close too, if you can see it. You'll hear it here. Sound doesn't hide anything. You don't have to see nothing, you can hear it. Hear it? See how it's a little bit different. A lot of grinding there. Okay. Stone's dull again. Okay. Gonna go clean these again. We'll be back.